Hi, I just wanted to talk to you today about the Fons Porter mechanical pencil. It's a really nice pencil for marking your quilts and your fabric. It's a fine white line that erases really easily because it's such a fine line. Usually by the time you've stitched over top of it, you can't even see it anyway. It does come with an eraser at the end, so if you need to get rid of the mark, you can certainly do that with the eraser. The problem that a lot of people have with the mechanical pencil is adding the lead to it or changing the lead. It does come with a refill container of lead, so you get some extra lead when you purchase the pencil. And the easiest way to add more lead to it is, unlike what they tell you in the instructions, they talk about taking apart the whole pen, and I find the easiest way is just to press down. So press that pencil and then add the lead when you've pressed it, and add the lead right from the top, and it just pushes right in. And you can add 2 or 3 pieces of lead at a time, and that way it seems to work better. If you only put one lead in, sometimes that lead will come out. Once you put 2 or 3 pieces in, it seems to hold it in place. So that's one little tip that we've learned over the years. But it's a great pencil. You can also get dark lead refills for it. So if you're writing on a lot of white fabric or fabrics that aren't going to show up with the white lead, you can always replace it with the black lead. Okay, so give it a try. The Fons Porter mechanical pencil. They're great. Thanks. Bye-bye.